This is Charlie from Fightfast. We got 3 self-defense moves. Let's get right into it.
Dale and Remo here. We're going to have these guys set up just like I want you to do at home. And we're going to work some reaction punches. All we're doing is reacting to a punch that comes to us. Some people call it counter punching. It's all the same thing. We're avoiding, once again, routines. So what we're going to do is have these 2 guys face each other. Before we do that, let me show you what we're going to do. All right. The best way to counter this left hand is with my right hand. So when a person swings that left out, you're going to step just a little bit and then throw your right hand. We're not going to step away from this punch. We're going to twist, turn our heel as we block. Go ahead, like so. And then I want my head to get outside of his right hand. So when he throws that, it's here, go, boom, like that, and punch straight into his chin. So now I'm actually leaning. I'm getting my weight in case he throws that right, so it goes outside of his right hand. So he's going to punch, and I'm going to go, boom, right hand. That's our first counter drill. All right, real simple. Remember, we're going to block and continue to roll. So it goes here, boom, hit, and he comes back. Then I come in, block, counter, right. Okay, let's get in here and see if we can do it. These guys haven't worked this drill with me before, so we'll get it together and see how it goes. All right, let's, guys look good. Good. All right, you will get hit sometimes doing this. Yeah, let's relax, guys. One of the things you have to do when you're fighting is learn how to relax. That's important in these drills. You will get hit periodically. Try to speed it up a little bit. We're not trying to knock each other out, but good. Make sure that your head goes outside his right. Good. Good. All right, relax for a second. Now, that's a pretty good job.
Hey, Jimbo here with your next tip. This one's a good one. It's about lethal combat. If your life or the life of anyone you care about is threatened, using lethal force against the threatening opponent is justified. Problem is, what happens if you don't happen to have a gun or a knife on you? What happens if this dude is like twice your size? Well, that's what this tip is all about. How to use nothing but your bare hands as lethal weapons, even against larger, stronger men. This is very good stuff. I hired some U.S. Special Forces combat experts, guys who've used these moves in actual life and death fighting to show you barehanded lethal fight moves that can end a fight in seconds. But here's the thing. These moves are very ugly and very brutal. I am not allowed to post them here on this platform. If I did, it would get my channel shut down very quickly. However, if you don't mind a little deadly gore, you can see them all for free simply by going to the link in the description. These moves are definitely worth a minute of your time. And when crunch time hits and your life is on the line, you'll be damn glad that you learned these simple deadly moves. So get there now. Okay, on to our next tip.
Let's say you're at a table and you got a chair here. All you got to do is come here with that chair and slam it into him. That split second, you bring that chair, it hits him in the leg. Right after that, you go right back into a technique again. You can use that chair, hit him on the outside, now I'm inside. That split second, he had to deal with that chair.
Thanks for watching our video lessons here at TRS Direct. Hit the like button down below and consider subscribing to our channel here on YouTube. Hit the bell icon and we'll send you a notification when there's a new lesson available. Thanks again for watching.